Experience pure nature and endless energy with the E6 or E8 model. Thank you for trusting Ecoviva. Before starting, check all components. If anything is missing, contact our support team. Here's an overview of the installation. This diagram shows how all parts connect for a successful setup. Gather these tools before you begin: a wrench, utility knife, drill, towel, and flashlight. They'll make the installation smoother. Always shut off the main water supply before starting. After installation, inspect all connections for leaks to ensure safety. Now, let's start the installation process. Follow each step carefully for best results. In step 1, we'll install the feed water adapter. Once that's secured in place, you should see something like this. First, locate the main water valve and turn it off. This ensures a safe working environment. Open the existing faucet to release any pressure in the lines. Confirm no water is flowing before proceeding. Carefully use a wrench to disconnect the old supply line. Place a towel underneath to catch any water. Measure the size of your water pipe. Choose the appropriate connection method according to the actual size. Attach the water adapter to the closed valve. Ensure it's hand-tight before using a wrench. Use a wrench to tighten all connections. This prevents leaks and ensures stability. Before inserting the tube, dip the very end of it into hot water for a few seconds. This softens the plastic, making it more flexible for an easy and secure insertion into the adapter. Insert the white water line into the adapter port. Pull gently to confirm it's locked, then insert the blue clip. Start by placing the sticker on the drain pipe. This marks where you'll drill the hole. Using a drill, make one hole where the sticker is placed. Be cautious and wear safety gear. Insert the drain tube into the clamp up to 0.6 inches. This ensures a proper seal. Position the clamp over the hole and tighten the screws firmly. This holds the tube in place. After confirming that the wastewater pipe is secure, install the blue card. If the clamp doesn't fit, you can insert the drain tube directly into the sewer. Ensure it's secure. Locate and remove the spacer and mounting screw found underneath the faucet. Insert the faucet into the sink's pre-drilled hole. If no hole exists, drill one carefully. Place the rubber gasket on the faucet stem, facing down. From under the sink, tighten the fixing nut securely. This stabilizes the faucet. Position the main unit in your cabinet close to a power outlet. This ensures easy access. Before connecting, remove all dust plugs from the unit's ports. This prepares for line attachment. Match the water lines by color. Blue indicates input water, white indicates RO water, and gray indicates wastewater. Pull gently to check, then insert blue clips. Insert the RO tube straight into the faucet connection. Give it a gentle tug afterwards to confirm it's locked in place. Plug the faucet cable into the main unit's port and tighten the screw. This enables communication. Slowly open the water supply valve. This allows water to flow into the system. Inspect all connections: the water adapter, the unit's inlets, and under the faucet. If you see any leaks, immediately turn off the water supply and verify the connection is correct. If everything is dry, we're ready to proceed. Connect the power plug to an outlet. The unit should light up, indicating it's receiving power. The main unit's indicator is now on. This shows the system is ready. The faucet display should activate. This confirms successful installation. Open the water supply valve completely. We'll now flush the system to remove impurities. Let the water run for 30 minutes. This rinses the filters and membranes. Do not drink this water. Here's a quick guide to your status lights. Blue means it's filtering, and a flashing orange is an early reminder. A steady orange light, accompanied by an audible beep from the machine, means it's time to replace the filter. This interface provides real-time TDS readings and system status. A flashing red PPC RO light indicates the filter is nearing end of life. Solid red requires immediate replacement. For a fault light accompanied by a diagnostic code, consult the manual or our support team for assistance. Here's a quick guide to your status lights. Blue means it's filtering, a flashing orange is an early reminder, and a steady orange means it's time to replace the filter. Now, enjoy your pure water. Fill a glass and taste the difference. Your kitchen is now equipped with clean, safe water. Thank you for choosing Ecoviva.